Hi, I'm Neha and today I'm going to discuss about basics of Google AdWords. So let's start. Today's agenda will be what is Google AdWords, what is PPC, difference between SEO and PPC, account structure and benefits of PPC. What is Google AdWords? Google AdWords is advertising program run by Google. It helps online advertisers to promote their business through ads. The ads will be banner ads or text ads. Advertisers will get paid only on pay-per-click basis. It means when someone click on their ads, then only they will get paid, otherwise no. I'll give you a simple example. When you type this particular keyword like buy laptop, then these are ads. When someone click on this ad, then advertisers have to pay for that particular click. Okay, and these are all SEO ads. These are all free ads and these are all paid ads. What is PPC? In pay-per-click, online advertisers will pay Google when someone click on their ads regardless whether the sale is made or not. Advertisers will place bids on keywords that they think their target audience will type in search field. When a user types a search query into the search engine that matches the advertiser's keyword list, the PPC ad may be displayed on the page. In search engines, a PPC ad are generally present at the top or to the right hand side of search results. Now, when someone type this particular keyword and suppose they click on this particular ad, whether the sale is made or not made, advertisers have to pay for particular click. The second thing, in campaign, there are list of keywords you have to put in particular Google AdWords campaign. You have to bid on that particular keyword. And suppose user type buy laptop, and this keyword is present in your campaign as well in your keyword list. Then there is a possibility that your ad will be shown at the top of the search results. Okay, because the user search query and your keyword is matching. So there is a possibility that Google will show your ad on search results. Next thing, difference between SEO and PPC. SEO is free and PPC is paid. In SEO, there is huge competition and in PPC, there is less competition. SEO, it takes a lot of time to get ranking on top of the search results, but in PPC, it takes less time. I will show you simple example. When you type, suppose buy shirts, can you see this number? Okay, I will type some different keyword. Buy mobiles. Okay. Suppose this particular keyword is there, skin health treatment. Can you see this number? It means these many websites are currently competing for this particular keyword in SEO. But in PPC, only currently there are only 3 ads which are currently competing for this particular keyword. So which one is better, SEO or PPC? Obviously, there is less competition in PPC, so there is a possibility that you will get your ad to be displayed on top of the search results. But in SEO, obviously, there is huge competition. That's why it will take a lot of time. Account structure. Now, I'll give you a simple example for this. Suppose you're selling online t-shirts or online clothes, okay? Then you will create one Google AdWords account for, online clothes for your particular product. Then on that particular online store, you're selling clothes for both men and women. So what you will do, you will create two campaigns for men and for women. There will be two campaigns. Now in men, like you're selling suppose t-shirt, shirts, formal clothes, winter clothes. Then for all these four categories, you will create a separate ad group. Ad group 1, formal shirts. Ad group 2, t-shirts. Ad group 3, winter clothes, etc. Okay. Now in women also, you're selling like classic, like traditional clothes. Online traditional clothes, saris, kurtas, leggings. So you will create a separate ad group. Ad group 1, traditional clothes. Ad group 2, western clothes. Ad group 3, like kurtas, online kurtas, etc. etc. And in those particular ad group, there will be list of keywords and ad. So I will show you next time when we, actually, I will show you when next time I will show how to create the Google AdWords campaign. At that time, you will get clear all these campaign structure and ad groups, keywords and all that. Just keep in mind that there will be like layers like account, campaigns, ad group, keywords and ads. Next, benefits of PPC. First benefit, increased traffic. It helps to increase traffic on website when user land on website after clicking on ad. Second, increase sales. When user likes your product or service and buys from your website, then it will help to increase sales. You choose who will see your ads. You can select particular location campaign and your ads will be shown on that particular location. For example, suppose USA location is there. If you target USA, then ads will be shown to only USA. So if you target UK, then your ads will only show to UK people. So it is in your control. You choose who will see your ads. Fourth, it helps to monitor your ROI and ads. Fifth, able to track conversions. With the help of conversion tracking code, it will help to track conversions. Put conversion code on thank you page and it will then start to track conversions. Then you only pay per click. That we have already discussed. You will get paid only when someone click on your ads, otherwise no. Next, you can monitor performance. Obviously, you can monitor all the campaign performance. Provide immediate results because it is having less competition as compared to SEO, so it gives you immediate results. And last one is you can pause and restart your campaign at any time. If you feel that okay, I have to stop this campaign immediately because I have got many conversions now, so you can immediately pause the campaign. Okay, so these were all the basics of Google AdWords which I have discussed. So thanks for watching my video.